Hello everyone, welcome back to Dolos Academy. Today we are going to learn how to open our first WordPress website. This video is for all sorts of web design and developing enthusiasts. Here we will learn on how to check the availability of our website name. Then we will move forward to how we can buy domain and hosting. After that we will move on to install WordPress and also how to install a theme. So let's start. So we are here at namecheap.com domain name search. Here we will find the availability of our domain name. So let's type our domain name to see. And our domain is available. So let's book a domain for ourselves and also a hosting. So we have completed our first step. Now let's move on to the second step, which is booking a hosting plan and also a domain. So now we are here at this website. It is known as intelwebhost.com. From here we will book a hosting plan. They have many different hosting plans, but the one which I will select is here, which is best web hosting. From here I'm going to select this light starter plan because it fits my requirements. So let's get started. So what I will do is I will register a new domain, which I have already checked before, which is dolosacademy.com. Oops, sorry, I made a mistake. So now I'm going to continue with this domain, and here is my order, which I will pay annually, and my server's location is also given, but I'm going to choose Singapore as it is best for most websites which are hosted from my region. Now I'm not going to choose these additional services, so I'm just going to click on continue, and I'm going to select all three of these because I need DNS management, ID protection, as well as email forwarding, and again continue. Now I already have an account created here, so I'm just going to insert my account credentials and move on. But if you don't have your account created, you can just fill up these informations and just click on checkout. I'm going to pay through Bikash payment, so I've also selected this, and now let's click on checkout. Okay, so my order is done right now. So we have completed our second step. Okay, so let's move on to our third step, which is getting access to our cPanel and installing WordPress. So to do that, we actually have to go into the admin dashboard of Intel Webhost from where I ordered my domain. So here I can see that there is a section called services. From here I'm going to click on my services, and it shows me this. And before, in front of you guys, this was the domain and hosting which I ordered, but I'm going to select this one because that one has not been activated yet, so sorry for that. So from here I can see on the left side that there is something called actions, and here we can see login to cPanel. So I'm going to click here, login to cPanel, and it takes me to my cPanel. So now this user interface is called the cPanel. From here I'm going to search Softaculous. Here I can see that WordPress Manager by Softaculous, so I can click here and press install to install WordPress. So I'm going to click here, and now here I have to insert all the details I need for my WordPress website. So now I'm going to choose the version I want to install, which will be the latest version of WordPress, which is 5.7.2, and this is my HTTPS. Always select HTTPS because it's good for your website, because HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secured, so your website will always be secured. Now I'm going to choose my domain, which is dolostudios.com, and I'm just going to keep it empty because I want the WordPress to be installed in dolostudios.com, not in any other directory. Now here I'm going to give some basic information, example my site name, and also a tagline or a site description. Okay, now here I need to insert admin details and etc. Okay, so this is my password. Now I don't need any of this. I'm and the language I will set it to English, and the rest is up to your preferences. And I also want to select a theme, and nothing to do here, just let it be what it is, and let's click on install. So now our site is being installed. After it is installed, we will move on to the fourth step. So now on to our fourth step, which is installing theme. And also the first thing we have to do is we have to log in to our WordPress dashboard. So we will click here, which is the administrative URL. It redirects me to the backend of my WordPress website. Let's visit our site first. So we can see this is just a basic text and a theme of our site. Now we need to change this site into the site we are looking at right now. So to do that, we need to install the theme first. So let's go to appearance, and from appearance we're going to select themes. So now we only have these 3 themes. What we need to do is we need to select add new. From here we need to search Astra, and here you go, we have found Astra. So I'm going to click install, and now the theme has been installed. So I'm going to click on activate. So now my theme is activated. What I'm going to click is get started. From here I am going to demo import any of the sites which I like. So now I'm going to select a page builder. One of the best page builders is Elementor. It is super simple to understand and it works with the drag and drop function. So let's select that. And now it's showing me all the templates which are available with Elementor and are compatible with it. So I'm going to select a pretty simple one, which is this one. So let's go here and select import complete site. Now our site is being imported. Just before that, fill out these informations. Let's say I'm a beginner, and for myself. So now the plugins related to our themes are being installed, and after this is over, pretty much our contents and everything on the whole website will be changed. Now let's view our site. We can just click here and we can see that our site is now just like the one we saw. Perfect. Even if we go here and we refresh it, we will see that our site has been changed. We have finished our fourth step. The next thing we are going to see is how to edit our WordPress site. We will see that in the next video. Thanks for watching.